Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I'd like to show a craft that you can make for Mother's Day with your children. We like to do a lot of crafts here, so I'm always putting something out. We have grab and go craft kits that you can come into the Forestville Library and pick up. And this is one of those ideas that you can either make it at home or you can come in, and I will have some of these pre-made into little packets, and you can pick one up to do at home with your kids, but all the pieces will be in there. So what I thought was cute was this little heart, and it says, "Moms are like buttons, they hold everything together." So I thought that was just kind of a cute saying. And of course I have all these different colored cardstock hearts cut out for people to choose from, or they can cut them out at home. It's just a heart. And then I have a bag full of buttons that I just picked from to glue on there. And I printed this off on my computer printer, but you could just handwrite this on a piece of paper with this saying, "Moms are like buttons, they hold everything together," you know. So really all you need are the buttons, this saying, and some cardstock cut out into a heart. And you can make a very nice gift for your mother. And you could have the kids make this for their mom, or of course you could have them make one for grandma or whoever you want. You can just adjust what you say on your little message. So I hope you like it. I think it's very colorful. And like I said, you can do it in all different colors. I think it would be pretty in, you know, any of these other colors also. So happy crafting, happy Mother's Day, and I hope you like this craft idea. Bye.